or directions to a mall.
So, have you guys done it? No.
Stand up on the bench.
In Kannada.
In Kannada. Okay. Till now, at least we have people who have attended class 1. I think Anshu, right? She is the only one who is attending the first class. So, the rest who have attended till now, can you please summarize on a higher level what you guys have done till now? At least one at a time. Melinda.
So for 3 days,
Any one
Something-
day or
something
some,
about
some
what you
part
love.
also is fine.
make a sentence.
In Kannada.
Sit down.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Okay, what does it mean?
How are you?
Okay.
Then ಇವಾಗೆ now
ಇವಾಗ
ಇವಾಗೆ is now not today. ನಿನ್ನೆ
ಇವಾಗ.
ನಿನ್ನೆ is yesterday.
Yeah.
Today is
ಇವತ್ತು.
ಇವತ್ತು and then ನಾಳೆ is tomorrow.
Yeah, correct. Okay, Jyoti, you attended first class, right?
Yeah.
So,
First class, you, referring to you,
in Kannada.
Ninu,
Okay.
and then they will
Different variations of that.
Nimme,
Neevu, Neenu, Neevu, Ninnadu,
yours,
Ninnadu.
Ninnadu, and
Okay, that's fine. Just a brief recap of what we have done for the first 3 classes. So we started the first slide with my name is and my place is. So Nanna Hesaru, Nanna Uru. Nanna Hesaru means my name is. You fill in the blank with your name. Nanna Uru is, Nanna is mine, Uru is place and the native place where you are from. So, can we expect the 3 new guys to say that first slide? Tanishta.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ತನಿಷ್ಠ, ನನ್ನ ಊರು ಪೇಪರ್.
Okay. Sanjay.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸಂಜೀವ್, ನನ್ನ ಊರು
Uru is place.
native place.
ನನ್ನ ಊರು ಜಾರ್ಖಂಡ್.
Okay.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಂಶು, ನನ್ನ ಊರು ಯುಪಿ.
Okay. Next, we had different variations on I. Some basic words. Stop is nilisi. Then no is illa. Don't want is beda. Enough is saku. And yes is howdu. So these are some common words which you can use outside also. So if you are traveling somewhere, or we had an exercise on Friday wherein we used some of these words. Nilsi, nilsi. So some basic words. Then regarding the first person, where the different variations, nanu, nannadu, nammadu, and nanige. The same thing with the second person. Then we had some common verbs, bunny, hogi. So all these things, and we had an exercise of making a sentence with 2 words. So this also, wherein which can be used for asking questions. So I think this was on the second class, right? Second class we had this. So most commonly used words. This is idu. I think for the new guys. This is idu. Please spell it. Idu. That is adu. Both. That, adu. Here illi. Louder. Where? There. Who? When? What? Why? How? ಹೇಗೆ.
HAY, GAY.
or HEG also you can use. Hage also you can use. It's a different version of Kannada. That's it. Can you please spell this? Three at a time. Jyoti, Neelam, and Tanishta.
But what where yaವಾಗ
Last three, Michelle, Albert, and Fazila. Melinda, Sansit, both.
what ಏನು where ಯಾವಾಗ
Santosh and Manush.
ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಒಟ್ಟಾದ್ರೆ ಒಟ್ ಏನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ
Three words.
ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಪಟ್ಟಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ವೇರಿ ಯಾವಾಗ
Where Yelli?
This is Adre or Hadre?
Adre. So these are some of the basic greetings. Namaskara. Thank you. Goodbye. ಹೋಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ಹೋಗಿ
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Very well, thank you is an answer for that. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. Welcome. Good morning. Good night. All the best. ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ. Okay.
What is that goodbye? ಹೋಗಿ
ಹೋಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ. Or else the shorter form is ಬರ್ತೇನೆ. ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ. And three new words we learnt, which Melinda said. What is yesterday? Tomorrow? Today? You got it? Yesterday is Nenne. Today is Ivattu. Tomorrow is Nale. Okay, this was a fun slide wherein we had a different exercise with different groups. So I hope you guys are very well aware of the directions. So let me ask. So what is stop? Right? Balagade. So right is Balagade. Left? Okay. Front? Yeah, Munda is also. Up? Down? Super. So this was an exercise. Should we have an exercise here once more on this, or do you think we should move with the other slides? Huh?
I
Just
think we
one
better
exercise.
move. We won't complete the portions otherwise.
Let's move.
We have
Before
another
this-
exercise with this.
Before this, a simple question for you guys, just to make you awake. So if you know the answer, please raise your hands. So you have 6 cups, 3 filled with water or coffee or a juice, 3 are empty. So you have to move only 1 cup and only once, and you should come to this position and alternate cups with water.
And you should do it in Kannada.
do only one cup.
Move only 1 cup. So if you know the answer, just raise an answer.
Move only 1 cup.
Move only
Only
one
once.
cup.
So how you'll do?
No moving 2 cups.
No moving 2 cups.
Swap also.
No swapping.
No
How will you
swapping.
swap? If you swap, it's a 2 cup, right?
4 into 5.
4
4 into 5.
Yes.
That's a correct answer. So in Kannada, if you try for that.
ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ?
Fine.
I do happy.
Cool.
ಎರಡು
ಎರಡರಿಂದ ತೆಗೆದು ಐದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿ. So the numbers we have planned for today. So ಎರಡರಿಂದ ಎರಡನೇ ಕಪ್ಪಿಂದ ಐದನೇ ಕಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ. So haki is 4. Okay. So today's session will be on fruits, vegetables, and numbers. And probably I might also tell you or show you how the scripts are written in Kannada. At least 5-6 letters at a time. I'll show you those things. Okay. Fruits is hannu. Hannu tinnutene is fine. Apple is a fruit, so it is called as sebu. Sebu. Grapes, drakshi. Orange, kittale hannu. Mango. So anything which has hannu at the end is a fruit.
So there is a possibility that that's Kittale also.
Oh yeah, apple
You can say that.
Sebu.
But sebu, people will understand.
If you go to the market,
Sebu.
if you say no, for orange, do you say Kittale or do you say Kittale hannu?
Kittale hannu.
If you say Kittale, will they understand or they will give you something?
They will understand.
Because no, so if you have to go to the market and let's say buy mangoes,
Yeah, you say mavu. Mavina hannu. Mavina hannu. If there is a thing for vegetables, it is kai. So if you say mavin kai, it is not
raw
a
mango.
Yeah, it's a raw mango. Mavina hannu is
ಮಾವಿನ ಮರ.
Mavina mara. So mara is
Tree.
tree. Oh, okay. Everything relates to mango.
Mango.
Anything which is
Mango tree, mango fruit.
Mango.
Raw mango.
Mango is too.
Yeah. Fruit is hannu and vegetable is kai. So watermelon is kalangadi hannu.
Kalangadi, it also is that sugar-like thing, no?
No.
The crystal sugar, the big one.
That is not kalangadi.
What is that called?
Kallu sakkare. That is kallu sakkare. Pomegranate is dalimbe hannu. The costliest one, I think. Chiku is sapota. Lemon, nimbe hannu. So spell it one at a time.
Kalangadi.
No, I want one, at least one, only one to speak, rest later after the turn. Tanishta.
Fruits hannu, apple is sebu, grapes is drakshi, orange is Kittale hannu, mango mavina hannu, watermelon kalangadi hannu, pomegranate dalimbe hannu, chiku sapota, lemon nimbe hannu.
Okay. Jyoti.
Fruits hannu, apple, sebu, grapes, drakshi, orange, kittale hannu, mango, mavina hannu, watermelon, kalagadi hannu, pomegranate, dalimbe hannu, chiku, sapota, lemon, nimbe hannu.
Melinda.
Fruits hannu,
Hannu.
hannu,
Yes.
apple sabu,
Sebu.
grapes drakshi, orange kittale hannu, mango is mavina hannu, watermelon is kalingari,
Kalangadi.
Kalangadi.
kalangari hannu, pomegranate is dalimba hannu,
Hannu.
hannu, chiku is sapoda, lemon is nimbu,
Nimbe hannu.
hannu.
Fruits hannu, apple, sebu, grapes, drakshi, orange, Kittale hannu, mango, mavina hannu, watermelon, kalangadi hannu, pomegranate, dalimbe hannu, chiku sapota, lemon nimbe.
Fruits hannu, apple, sebu, grapes, drakshi, orange, Kittale hannu, mango, mavina hannu, watermelon, kalangadi hannu, pomegranate, ದಾಳಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು, ಚಿಕ್ಕು ಸಪೋಟ, ಲೆಮನ್ ನಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು.
ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಣ್ಣು ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಸೇಬು
ಸೇಬು.
ಸೇಬು ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಕಿತ್ತಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ವಾಟರ್ಮೆಲನ್ ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ ಹಣ್ಣು ಪೊಮೊಗ್ರಾನೇಟ್ ದಾಳಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು
ದಾಳಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು.
ಚಿಕ್ಕು ಸಪೋಟ ಲೆಮನ್ ನಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು.
ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಣ್ಣು ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಸೇಬು, ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ, ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಕಿತ್ತಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣು, ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು, ವಾಟರ್ಮೆಲನ್ ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ ಹಣ್ಣು, ಪೊಮೊಗ್ರಾನೇಟ್ ದಾಳಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು, ಚಿಕ್ಕು ಸಪೋಟ, ಲೆಮನ್ ನಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು.
ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಣ್ಣು ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಸೇಬು ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಕಿತ್ತಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ವಾಟರ್ಮೆಲನ್ ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ ಹಣ್ಣು
ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ ಹಣ್ಣು.
ಪೊಮಗ್ರಾನೇಟ್ ದಾಳಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಚೀಕು ಸಪೋಟ ಲೆಮನ್ ನಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು.
ಓಕೆ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಣ್ಣು ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಸೇಬು ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಆರೆಂಜಸ್ ಕಿತ್ತಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ವಾಟರ್ಮೆಲನ್ ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ ಹಣ್ಣು ಪೊಮಗ್ರಾನೇಟ್ ದಾಳಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಚಿಕ್ಕು ಸಪೋಟ ಲೆಮನ್ ನಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು. ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಯಿ.
That next slide.
Raw mango is
Not Let's be clear. No.
raw mango.
Fruits ಹಣ್ಣು ಆಪಲ್ ಸೇಬು ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಕಿತ್ತಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ವಾಟರ್ಮೆಲನ್ ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ ಹಣ್ಣು ಪೊಮೊಗ್ರಾನೇಟ್ ದಾಳಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಚಿಕ್ಕು ಸಪೋಟ ಲೆಮನ್ ನಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು.
So next class will be taken by Michelle. I'll wait.
She'll bring fruits for all of us too.
Okay.
This jingle jingle is
You'll-
going to
you'll
be in
pay for-
Kannada.
No, Niku is going to pay for ದಾಳಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು.
I'll wait.
Okay, fruits ಹಣ್ಣು ಆಪಲ್ ಸೇಬು ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಕಿತ್ತಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ವಾಟರ್ಮೆಲನ್ ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ ಹಣ್ಣು ಪೊಮಗ್ರಾನೇಟ್ ದಾಳಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಚಿಕ್ಕು ಸಪೋಟ ಲೆಮನ್ ನಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು.
Super. Fazila.
ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಣ್ಣು ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಸೇಬು ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಕಿತ್ತಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ವಾಟರ್ಮೆಲನ್ ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ ಹಣ್ಣು ಪೊಮಗ್ರಾನೇಟ್ ದಾಳಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಚಿಕ್ಕು ಸಪೋಟ ಲೆಮನ್ ನಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು.
Karthik.
ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಣ್ಣು ಆಪಲ್ ಸೇಬು ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಕಿತ್ತಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ವಾಟರ್ಮೆಲನ್ ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ ಹಣ್ಣು ಪೊಮಗ್ರಾನೇಟ್ ದಾಳಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಚಿಕ್ಕು ಸಪೋಟ ಲೆಮನ್ ನಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು.
So practice it.
ನೀಲಂ
ನೀಲಂ?
She didn't say.
No.
ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಣ್ಣು ಆಪಲ್ ಸೇಬು ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಕಿತ್ತಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ವಾಟರ್ಮೆಲನ್ ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ ಹಣ್ಣು ಪೊಮೊಗ್ರಾನೇಟ್ ದಾಳಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಚೀಕು ಸಪೋಟ ಲೆಮನ್ ನಿಂಬೆ.
So practice it. So next we'll go to vegetables. So
Very easy.
vegetable is tarakari. So different ones are onion is iruli or niruli.
What is the difference?
What? Iruli and?
Iruli or niruli.
Water
In
is water, right?
Neeru.
you get water from iruli, right? So when you chop it. So niruli you call it in the coastal areas. Iruli is in this region. Garlic is ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ. ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ. Ginger, ಶುಂಠಿ. Curry leaves is ಕರಿಬೇವಿನ ಸೊಪ್ಪು. ಕರಿಬೇವು. This one.
Curry leaves.
Potato.
Say the full word.
ಕರಿಬೇವು. ಕರಿಬೇವು is also fine.
Sopu is leaf, right?
Sopu is leaves. Potato is ಆಲೂಗೆಡ್ಡೆ. Brinjal is ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ. Green chili is ಹಸಿರು ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ. So
Green is hasiru.
you can say ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ, but if you are going to a vegetable shop, ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ will be a green chili only. But if you are buying it from
Grocery.
provision stores, right? There are different versions, red chilies.
So how is it?
ಒಣ ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ. ಹಸಿರು ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ is
Green.
ಒಣ ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ is dry.
Hona.
ಒಣ ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ. ಒಣ.
Dried
ಒಣ.
chili.
ಒಣ.
Ona.
And Ona. Cucumber is sautekai. So kai, if anything is suffixed with a word, then that is a vegetable. Hannu, that's a fruit. So spell it. Again, I don't want all speaking at it.
1 minute. What is red chili you said?
Ona menasinakai.
That's red.
Dry.
Red.
Dry.
Dry or red?
So
Dry
red
and
is
red.
kempa. Kempu.
But mensinkai we get only in these two versions. So if you just say
You
that.
said red chili is not dry also. No?
Red chili is a dry.
No, if you go to a provision store, I had mentioned the context. If you go to a provision store, you say Ona mensinkai.
If I go to a vegetable market and I see green chilies and I see red chilies.
So green you say
adu beku.
ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್
ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಜಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ ಇಟ್ 2 at a time.
Just the Kannada.
Just the Kannada. 2
ತರಕಾರಿ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ
No, not in English.
Just the Kannada. Just the Kannada.
ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಶುಂಠಿ ಕರಿಬೇವಿನ ಸೊಪ್ಪು
ಕರಿಬೇವಿನ ಸೊಪ್ಪು.
ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಹಸಿರು ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ
Melida and Sanchi.
ತರಕಾರಿ
ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ.
ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಶುಂಠಿ ಕರಿಬೇವಿನ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ
ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ.
ಹಸಿರು
ಹಸಿರು ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ. So you just say hasiru menasu is also fine. So kai you know it's a vegetable. So add it. You 3 at a time.
ತರಕಾರಿ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಶುಂಠಿ ಕರಿಬೇವಿನ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಹಸಿರು ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ
Karthika
ತರಕಾರಿ
both.
ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಶುಂಠಿ
I'm not getting anything from English.
ಕರಿಬೇವಿನ ಸೊಪ್ಪು
ಕರಿಬೇವಿನ ಸೊಪ್ಪು
Karthik, you finish.
ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಹಸಿರು ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ
Okay.
ತರಕಾರಿ
ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ.
ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಶುಂಠಿ ಕರಿಬೇವಿನ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಆಲೂಗೆರೆ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಹಸಿರು ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ
ತರಕಾರಿ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಶುಂಠಿ ಕರಿಬೇವಿನ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಆಲೂಗೆಡ್ಡೆ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ
ಹಸಿರು
ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ
ತರಕಾರಿ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಶುಂಠಿ ಕರಿಬೇವಿನ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಆಲೂಗೆರೆ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಹಸಿರು ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ
Shopping over. Shopping over.
ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಡನ್
ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ನೀರುಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಶುಂಠಿ ಕರಿಬೇವಿನ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಹಸಿರು ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ
ತರಕಾರಿ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಶುಂಠಿ ಕರಿಬೇವಿನ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಹಸಿರು ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ
ತರಕಾರಿ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಶುಂಠಿ ಕರಿಬೇವಿನ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಹಸಿರು ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ.
Okay. What is pomegranate? Watermelon.
ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ
Apple.
ಸೇಬು
Or you can say 500. You know 5 is 5. 500. 1000 is Savira. Laksha. Koti.
And how you say 25 then? 25?
25 is 25.
20 is 20.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So itu that. 70, 80. So this is an exercise for you guys. Anyways, you will do. Go to the market and buy vegetables and fruits at least for a day, not for a month.
Somebody is eating for a full week.
Huh?
Fruits. 2 kg
No, they're having potluck.
Tomato. Tomato, important.
Tomato, there is a specific word in Kannada. Even I am not sure about that. Tomato.
So that's homework. Find the names of vegetables that are not there in this list in Kannada.
There are many vegetables.
Many vegetables, yeah.
Apart from
Radish.
So okay, now at least with this we can do now. Or we'll have it.
Yeah, we can have
2 groups.
2 groups.
Okay, ji.
But how do we say
Kilo.
Mukkal. What do you say? 3/4? Kal. Kal.
Make 2 groups. Each group should have 3 girls. Mukkal. Okay.
1 to 1
That
to
is
1
also
to.
there. So
Mukkal.
how do we say 18?
Hadinentu.
Kalu is 1/4.
Hadinentu.
Ardha is half.
Arda of Arda.
What is one?
Arda of Arda.
What is 1/4?
Kalu. So you have kalu, 2 different meaning. If you use it with vegetables or while buying something, it is
Number.
1/4. Otherwise, it is kalu.
Leg.
Oh, like.
Kalu.
So kalu, ardha, mukkalu. So groups very fast. 3
What is
girls.
banana?
Bale handu. Bale handu. Not bale. Bale is girl. Bale. Le. Le. Not le. Le.
You have to roll your tongue. La. Not la. La.
Okay. Group.
Roll your tongue to your roof of your mouth and
Two
say
ladies
la.
onto that.
2 ladies onto that.
La. And not la. La you're beating against your teeth. La.
Who comes here?
3 already
La.
are there. Santosh, come this way.
Okay.
This is one group. Why?
Oh, I'm also there.
Santosh is also there.
Yeah. So now what we'll do is, this group is selling fruits. So you have to buy at least 4 different fruits, negotiate with them. After that, this group will be selling vegetables. You guys have to buy vegetables from them. Not to me, to them. So now fruits, you have to ask which fruits are available, what is the cost. Let's say you have watermelon, which costs per kg 40 rupees.
40 is?
40.
Okay, let's take 100 rupees.
No. Can we go to the previous slide? No, we can't.
No.
If we don't know 40 and all.
No, it's okay, I'm telling 100.
40.
Okay, it's a very expensive food stall.
100.
Everything is 100 rupees.
Yes.
Pomegranate is 1000.
What? 1000?
1000.
Hey, don't you want some?
Savira.
The different words, right? It will count.
Savira.
Savira. And apples. Lakhs. Bananas. Crores. Okay, so you guys will buy at least
5 lakhs worth of.
You should use all these things for each of the fruit, and negotiate with them. So let's start it.
No, we plan to excel.
Yajmani Nilsi. Ba. Hannu.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Last what all ಹಣ್ಣು available?
ದಾಳಿಂಬೆ ಇದೆ, ಸೇಬು ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ,
ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣಿದೆ,
ಸೇಬು ಇದೆ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಪೋಟ,
ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು
ಎಷ್ಟು
ಇದೆಯಾ?
kg?
ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದೆ.
ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ಸೀಸನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಸೇಬು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಏನು?
ಪ್ರೈಸ್
ಎಷ್ಟು?
ಒಂದು ಕೆಜಿಗೆ 1,00,000.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಅರ್ಧ ಲಕ್ಷ. ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಲೈಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೇಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಬೇಡ.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಲಕ್ಷ.
ಸೇಬು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕಡೆಗೆ.
ಸರಿ.
No.
ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೀಗ
ಹೇಳಿ
ಬಾ ಸರ್.
1,50,000 ಒಂದು ಕೆಜಿಗೆ.
Okay. Each one ask about one fruit. Okay. Jyoti, you ask for half kilo of banana.
ಅರ್ಧ ಕೆಜಿ ಬಾಳೆನ ಎಷ್ಟು?
ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು?
ಹಣ್ಣು.
ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು ಎಷ್ಟು?
Okay.
ನೀಲಂ ಕೆನ?
Nilam answer.
ಅರ್ಧ ಕೋಟಿ.
5 ಲಕ್ಷ.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಕೋಟಿ.
ಕೋಟಿ.
ಒಂದು
ಕೋಟಿ.
ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಡ.
Melinda. 3/4 kgs of pomegranate.
ಮಾಗುದೆ ದಾಳಿಂಬ ಹಣ್ಣು.
What is 3/4?
ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು.
ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು
ಮುಕ್-
kg.
ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು. 3 ಕಾಲು ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ, ರೈಟ್?
3 ಕಾಲು.
It's 3 quarters. You have quarter is kal. So you say moor kalu. That moor only is become small. So you say mukkal.
ದಾಳಿಂಬ ಹಣ್ಣು ಎಷ್ಟು?
Tanishta.
1 ಕೆಜಿಗೆ ದಾಳಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು 25.
Fine. Any new words?
Any numbers, fine.
Okay. Sanjit. 1/4 of apple.
1/4 kg.
ಕಾಲು ಸೇಬು ಎಷ್ಟು?
Kali kg.
Kal kg.
ಕಿಲೋ ರೈಟ್.
Kilo or kg.
1 leg of apple.
4 ಕಿಲೋ ಸೇಬು ಎಷ್ಟು?
Santosh.
ಕಾಲ್ ಕೆಜಿ ಸೇಬು 10 ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿ.
So if he says like that, what will you say? Jyoti already said that.
ಬೇಡ. You don't want to say ಬೇಡ. I will say
ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ನಿನಗೆ
ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
ನಿನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿ
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು GT Nexus ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
Only?
Only.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಕಾಲ್ ಕೋಟಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡು
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇವತ್ತು ಸದ್ಯ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಕಾಲು ಕೋಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕೈ ಕಾಲು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿ, ಸೂಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಕಾಲು ಕೋಟಿ. Okay, so this group asked.
So you ask about a vegetable to that group. To the ones who have not participated in the previous one.
ग्राम को क्या बोलते हैं?
ಗ್ರಾಮ್
Gram.
ತರಕಾರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಅರ್ಧ ಕಿಲೋ ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ ಇಷ್ಟ.
ಏನೇನಿದೆ?
Karthik answer.
ಅರ್ಧ ಕಿಲೋ ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ.
ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ.
So what is Satake?
ಕುಕುಂಬರ್.
Okay.
ಸೇಮ.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Free.
We are asking you.
Oh, you are selling?
Yes, it is there. ಇದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ.
ಇದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ.
ಎಷ್ಟು?
No, he asked.
You are selling, we are buying.
Yeah, so
He asked a question. अर्धा किलो सौतेकाई
One the kg.
1 kg, 1 quart.
One kodi. Kami ಮಾಡಿ.
1 kodi.
You edit kg.
ಒಂದು ರೆಡ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
1 ಲಕ್ಷ. 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Okay. Fazila ask.
ತರಕಾರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದೆ.
ಯಾವುದು ಇದೆ?
ಇದೆ.
She is asking.
ಯಾವುದು ಇದೆ?
Remember.
ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ, ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ, ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ.
ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ.
So now you ask. What is it? How much is it?
ಅರ್ಧ kg ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ.
ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ.
ಗಡೆ.
25.
ಗಡ್ಡೆ.
35.
35.
25ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಬೇಡ.
Not beda. If you say beda, it is.
Beda means,
they will say beda when they are asking.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Illa is fine.
That's
Agala.
fine. ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ. Sorry.
Sorry in Kannada.
ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ.
Sorry is enough. I've not heard anybody say Shamisi.
We'll say no, what is it? Samisi ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Michelle to Anshu.
Okay. Just the whole thing or just
Anything.
Whatever you want.
Any way to give.
ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲ್ ಕೆಜಿ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಬೇಕು.
So what does it? What does it mean?
She said 3/4 of
Okay. Answer.
ನನಗೆ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಬೇಡ.
Michelle के देखो.
ನನಗೆ
ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಕೆಜಿ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ
Rate.
ಎಷ್ಟು?
ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿಗೆ 9-10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ
10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ.
10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ.
So what will you ask again?
Everybody was leading in lakhs and crores and she's chill right now.
Sorry.
I was going to say
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. If you say
if
ಕೊಡಿ,
that's the case, give me like 10 kgs.
10 kg ಕೊಡಿ.
ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ
So, ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ 10 kg ಕೊಡಿ.
ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ
if that's the case, if that's so,
ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ. 10 kg ಇಲ್ಲ. 10 kgs.
ಸರಿ, 5 kg ಕೊಡಿ.
ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ 10 kg ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ
ಅಥವಾ ನನ್ನ ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. So ಅಂಗಡಿ is
Shop.
Shop.
ನನ್ನ ಅಂಗಡಿ, my ಅಂಗಡಿ.
ಚೈನಾದಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರಬೇಕು.
So keep practicing this one. So whenever you go to a market or a fruit stall, vegetable stall, try to use Kannada word. So in that sense,
Shopping is done.
shopping is done.
Tomatoes.
Tomato we have to find out. Tomato.
Homework.
Tomato.
Ladies finger.
ಬೆಂಡೆಕಾಯಿ.
ಬೆಂಡೆಕಾಯಿ.
So you know bendi.
Bendi.
So ಬೆಂಡೆಕಾಯಿ. Anything else? Please do this exercise. Keep practicing this one so that you'll be fluent in at least most of the things when you negotiate. I think this should be for ladies most of the times, but still. Maybe Albert in Kannada, how it is written. This is not writing.
It is a sign.
Open notepad.
I can write. Let's see on this side. This is R.
You can write on that wall.
After that,
I've actually posted a video on
yeah, there is a
that
video for this.
that shows you how to write each letter.
ड्राइंग कर रहे हैं
This is drawing circles.
हाँ
Hey, हमें नहीं दिख रहा।
There is a video. While going, at least you can come and see what it is. Now it's visible. So this is R. R. This is R. E.
Second one is what?
R. R. E. E.
E, how to put E?
This one or this one?
ई बड़ी वाली ई
बड़ी वाली ये.
One circle, cap, walking stick.
What is this?
E.
ओपी
You can do like this and like this first and then put that up also.
However, as long as it comes out like that, it's fine.
This is how I learned.
Nobody's going
Come
to
back.
nobody's going to sue you the way you write start and end and all.
And there is a sinusoidal wave.
Caterpillar.
Ooh. If you make this one as big.
Next stage of the caterpillar.
So at least
Going longer.
six characters for today. E. E. Ooh.
Learn some letters.
At least by the end of this classes, you should be able to make out the things that are written on bus boards.
Yes,
that's
awesome.
That's the thing we have in mind. So
Thank you.
दिस वाज